So 3 weeks ago, I get a call from my husband's life insurance company, just a routine confirmation call, thanking me for updating the beneficiary information on his policy. Except I never touched that policy. I didn't even know the login for it. And when I asked my husband Dan if he'd made any changes, he looked at me like I'd grown a second head. He swore up and down he hadn't logged into that account in over a year. So we call the company back together on speaker, and the rep tells us the change was submitted online 2 weeks ago, using Dan's correct social security number and his correct answers to the security questions, switching the primary beneficiary from me to some name neither of us recognized, a woman named Renee Castillo. We just sat there, staring at each other, because Dan doesn't know anyone named Renee, and I definitely don't. The insurance company froze the account and said they'd investigate, and for a few days, we just told ourselves it was some kind of clerical error or a scam that got lucky with his info. But then last night, Dan's phone buzzed with a text from an unknown number, and it just said, quote, "Tell him I know about the boat and I want what's mine," unquote. Dan turned white as a sheet, because 4 years ago, before we even met, he apparently co-owned a fishing boat with a business partner who vanished owing him money, and he never once mentioned it to me in 6 years together. I asked him who Renee was to that partner, and he wouldn't answer me. He just kept saying he needed to make a phone call in private. He's in the other room right now with the door shut, and I can hear him talking low and fast. And I genuinely don't know if I'm about to find out my husband got scammed, or if I'm about to find out he's been lying to me since the day we met.